What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to receive notifications, how to set up alerts in the case that someone's mentioned your brand name, your product name online independently of the place that this person mentions it, okay? So imagine the following scenario. You do have a lot of work creating a digital product, for example right here, or Borders WordPress plugin, and how would I know how as soon as some person mentions my product, talk about my product online, okay? Imagine that some blog made a review about my WordPress plugin called Borders. Well, how would I know that? How to set up alerts? How to receive notifications if someone talks about my products or my brand name? This is what I'm gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to the place where you would like to monitor, okay, to start monitoring. In my case, gonna be Visualmodo. So my brand name is Visualmodo. And how to know if someone talks about Visualmodo online, how to receive notifications about it. Have you ever heard about Google Alerts? Okay, so go to Google and type Google Alerts, just like this. Click into this first result, google.com alerts. Right here you can type your name, okay, in the case that you want, for example, your personal name or your brand name. In my case, gonna be Visualmodo. So I'm gonna click right here, and the alert is now created. But you can create one by typing right here. For example, let me delete this one and type Visualmodo, just like this. Now we can go to show options instead of create alert. Right here we can check how often we're gonna receive alerts. Can be as it happens, so as soon as it happens, you're gonna receive a notification on your email. At the most once a day, at the most once a week, up to you. Sources, it can be automatic, let Google decides, or you can select one by one, just like this. Blogs, news, web, discussion, videos, books, up to you, okay? Language, English, any language. Place, any place. How many? Only the best results, all results, please. Deliver the results and the notifications to. Now you can choose one of your emails to receive these notifications, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. Then you can click on set alerts, and here we go, you have alerts. You can customize just like this using the pencil icon, or you can use the configuration, delivery time, digest, cancel, and you can delete the alert just like this in the case that you want. Simple, easy, and very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, we for Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.